Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to this Ielts writing task 1 video. I will explain a step-by-step guide in writing task 1. Okay, now please have a look. I will have read the line graph below shows changes in the amount and type of fast food consumed by Australian teenagers from 1975 to 2000. Okay, and how to write this writing task 1? Okay, so the first is an introduction. Okay, just simply paraphrase the information given from the topic. And the second step is general overview. Please just simply write what's happening on the graph overall without explaining it in more details. And last, specific features, you just simply group the data mentioned by explaining information in both y-axis and x-axis. That's all about a step-by-step guide in writing task 1. Good luck, thank you for attention, and the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.